Hello and welcome to Home Cooking Spain. Today I'm going to be cooking fried potatoes and onions. So let's begin. Okay then, so we have here a small onion and 4 potatoes that weigh about 650-700 grams and some fresh parsley from my garden. Smells beautiful. This is a side dish which is great to accompany like some meat, some chicken, fish, or just on its own. So I'm going to start off by peeling the potatoes and peeling the onion. Sorted. So now we are going to slice the potatoes up. In about half a centimetre wheels. Potatoes done. A quick wipe. And now the onion. All done. On to the next step. Okay, next step is turn this heat up to number 7, which is medium high, and I'm going to generously cover the base with olive oil. And we shall wait for this to heat up. So once the oil is hot, we'll add the potatoes and onions there. And some salt according to your taste. And about every 5 minutes we'll give them a move about. So I'm going to give it the first move about. And just keep it there and let them fry off. Okay, so once the potatoes are halfway done, they get a nice browny colour, I'm going to add some paprika. And I'm also going to add my fresh parsley. And I'll cover it up and we'll leave it there for a while. About 10 minutes. Okay, so them 10 minutes have gone by, and what I'm going to do is give this a move about. Oh, look at that. Beautiful, isn't it? Nice and crispy. The paprika has given it a lovely colour also. So these are ready. So what I'm going to do now, I'll turn this off. Look at that. Can you smell that? So I'm going to turn the stove off I'll turn the extractor fan off as well, and I'm going to put it on a plate so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so here is dinner ready. I hope that you have enjoyed today's recipe video. Please give me a like if you have done. Please leave me a comment. Please subscribe if you haven't done so yet. And I look forward to sharing my next video with you. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.